When I was approached to be a member of the Advisory Council for the HELP Project, I was delighted to discover that its main purpose was end of life. And I've been very involved in palliative care in a pastoral setting for the past 20-some years, especially with members of my own parish. And no one comes to the point of palliative care without having been a caregiver first. So when the first meeting of the advisory council that I attended was via Zoom, and to my delight, we talked about the template used by the United Church in putting on something of value to the community, whether it be for caregivers or just identifying other areas of adult education that would be helpful to the public at large. I know that the staff of the advisory council did multitude of interviews with various people within the church community to determine just what the needs were. And from those interviews, they determined that there were 3 or 4 or 5 possible workshops that could be conducted. And I was very, very impressed that everything happened so quickly. And working under the stress of COVID and not being able to be in person was really remarkable. I'm very delighted to know that the workshops that were conducted were genuinely well attended and very, very much appreciated.